Just got modded and it's finished. So let's check it out. No. You fucking kidding me. Look at this. What is this? Can you guys tell me what comment down below what kind of fixture these are? Look at that. I hate them. I don't like it. These are former Montgomery Westinghouses. See? Is this HX Press or is this something else? Or is it MAD? What is this? See all levels. Was that the classic welding before? Did it? No. Let's see what the cab looks like. Here's the cab. Pretty cool. And stamp cab. And the smell is brand new. If you smell, in here it smells like a brand new elevator. It doesn't smell like old. There's a shaft. This is hydraulic, by the way. Down there. Looks like they replaced it. You see? Replacement. Alright. So now. See what the alarm sounds like. Brand new alarm. Digital screen.